Hello, this is Matt again with the Dryer Vent Doctor. I'm going to be behind the camera for this video. In this video I want to explain to you how to build the best dryer vent system for your house and what you want to do if you have to rebuild it or have a professional rebuild it for you. What materials you want to use and how it needs to be done to have the safest dryer vent system you can make. So I'm going to start in the dryer room. I'm going to slowly move my way up through the whole system all the way out to the point where it exits the house or building. And okay, so right here we have the dryer. This is and on the top of the dryer here we have 3 transition ducts. These are the hoses that connect the back of your dryer to your wall. And there are good ones out there and there are bad ones out there that you want to avoid and not use. I'm going to show you some good ones. I'm going to show you the bad ones. Okay. The first one up here that we have up close, this is a bad one. You see it at all the hardware stores, they sell it everywhere. And you've got to worry about this one because it's flammable. There's paper in here. Most people don't know that. This is a foil flex, and you take a look at it and see what happens. You see that? It's very flammable. It will not contain a fire. If you have a lint fire behind your dryer, let's say your dryer overheats and you have a lint fire back there, this one is going to burn. It's not going to contain that fire and possibly go out inside there. Another one you want to avoid, I don't have it show up here though, is one it looks just like this and it's white and it's made out of vinyl. The vinyl one burns just as easily as this, if not easier. So avoid the vinyl, white vinyl, and this foil flex here that you see at all your hardware stores. Okay? So now the next 2 here are the good ones that you can use, and I recommend them very much. This one here is an all-metal aluminum duct. It has 2 90-degree ends, so it's easy to hook up to your wall in your dryer. These ends rotate. You can get a horseshoe shape, so it hooks up very easily. And the metal, obviously, metal. Everybody knows metal doesn't burn, at least at really, really high temperatures. So if there is a fire in here, it's going to be hopefully contained, and it will not spread, so hopefully it'll go out in this. This is a very good thing to use, the all-metal dryer duct kit behind your dryer. Another one that's new on the market that I highly recommend is this one. It's made by Dryerflex, and there's no paper in it at all. It's all aluminum, so it will not burn. It's rated up to 660 degrees. You can see that I have a flame on it right there. It's rated up to 660 degrees. There's metal lined in here, so it's very flexible. But the thing about it that's so nice compared to this you can crush easily. This one, very rigid and hard, so it won't get crushed up against the walls, which creates blockages. So these 2 transition hoses I definitely recommend, the Dryerflex and the all-metal ductwork. This one, but not this foil flex or the vinyl flex. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I have this dryer set up. I use the Dryerflex on this installation, which is very good. You can see it back here. I don't know if it's bright enough, but there it is. Comes straight out of the dryer and straight into the wall. And in this wall there's a 4-inch aluminum duct, and it runs straight up this wall and it goes straight into the attic, and that's all aluminum. Okay, this job, when I first got here, they had slinky duct going through the walls just like this. This you do not want in your walls. Okay, slinky duct, you can see how rough it is inside here. It collects lint and that creates blockages, which is a fire hazard. Okay, so you definitely do not want slinky duct in your walls. You want aluminum duct all through your vent system. You want to avoid slinky duct at all costs. Okay, so we've got aluminum duct going straight up into the walls, and then I'll go up into the attic and show you what it looks like up there. Okay, now I'm up in the attic, and what you can see here is you can see this 4-inch aluminum duct coming up through the wall here. It does a 90-degree turn and it exits all the way down to the side of the house and exits out there with a functioning backdraft damper. Now what I had on this job is, when I got up here, is I had this foil flex up here, and it was packed with lint, and there was no airflow going through it. Had foil flex in the attic going all the way out to that point there, and also going down through the wall. And you do not want foil flex. Avoid it at all costs, okay? And now I'm going to show you also for installation, when you install this aluminum duct, you don't want to use duct tape or any other kind of tape on this duct, okay? Because this duct gets hot, and you don't want duct tape on here or anything. What you have to make sure the installer uses, and we always use, is this foil tape. It's aluminum foil tape, and it's made for ductwork, okay? So all the connection points need to be sealed with this aluminum duct tape right here, okay? Not duct tape, but aluminum. It's made for the aluminum piping. All right. And another thing is, when you install these, do not use screws at all. You see right here? No screws in ductwork, okay? If you put a screw in here, the screw will go through and penetrate into the duct, and then the lint will accumulate on that screw, and it will slowly grow over time, and you'll have a blockage in here. So no screws in your duct, and make sure you use this aluminum tape, okay? And you'll be good to go. And none of this slinky type ducting. Just avoid it, and if you have it, it needs to be replaced, okay? So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something today, and please take a look at our website. Our website is www.dryer-vent-doctor. That's doctor.com. And there's a lot more useful information on there that you can take a look at. So, okay, have a great day. Thanks for taking a look at the video. Bye.